This chapter deals with conic sections, that is, circles, ellipses, parabolas, and hyperbolas. Find an equation of the circle with center 3, -4 and radius 2 square root of 3. The general form of the equation of a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. K is the center, r is the radius. So we substitute x minus 3 squared plus y minus -4 squared equals 2 times the square root of 3 squared. And we can write that a little nicer. We can leave this as x minus 3 squared. Y minus -4 is the same as y plus 4 squared. And to square 2 square root of 3, we square the 2, which will give us 4. We square the square root of 3, which gives us 3, and 4 times 3 is 12. So this is an equation of the circle.